Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is May 23rd, 2015. This is the day after I did the video of my brother getting arrested on the 23rd, obviously. This morning I went to court and I got there around 10:30 a.m. and pretty much everything went all right. They searched me and, took my helmet and a hairspray that I had in my bag. Said that it was too dangerous to go in the courtroom with it. Again, we know that my intentions are never to be violent. It is just to state simple facts. And I don't want privileges. I want rights. Anyway, so I go and address the case number, which I was going to state right now. The case number is, the felony is F1501069 of grand theft in third degree, statute 812, parentheses 2, parentheses C. I don't know what that means, but we all know it's not applicable to my brother or me or any human being. Police, case number 201517729, which of disorderly conduct, statute 877.03. Those were the issues that I went to go address. And yes, I did tell the public defender not to speak because my brother didn't sign any documents giving her authority to speak on his behalf. And the bailiff came to me and told me to be quiet. I asked the bailiff if he had a claim in the matter. He said no. I suggested maybe he ought to be quiet if he didn't have a claim. If he's not party to it. And I noticed the state didn't say anything. The court clerk is telling me to be quiet. Is telling me to sit down and be quiet. I don't understand where these people get off telling me to do anything. I'm a taxpayer. You serve me. And I must say, I have to say this. During 10:30 to about 4 and change, whatever it was, 4:30, I literally was almost in tears watching people give up their God-given rights for privileges just because they wanted out of the hellhole of jail. It was sick. It made me sick, and I felt sorry. Sorry that they didn't know that they had rights. Anyway, the judge did not want to hear what I had to say. I did state that there was no corpus delicti, which means there wasn't a body to the crime. There was no injured party. And she claimed that there was probable cause when there wasn't. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing this video because I'm afraid that every time my brother and I go to court, we're going to get harassed. We're going to get, you can see in their videos that the cops come and put their hands on me after the judge asked me for my name, and I told her that I was in special appearance, and I asked her for her name. She didn't reply. She said she was done, that there was probable cause. She wanted my brother to sign a pre-trial release form. Once you sign any documents, you're admitting fault. My brother didn't do anything wrong. I tried to save the court further embarrassment, but they didn't want to listen. So this is going to be, I intend to go to the bike shop where we bought the bike. I intend to get a notarized affidavit from him and a video testimonial as well, and get a copy of the receipts. And get a character witness video of people that know him. And we'll see where this goes. And I am entering a counterclaim against the state of Florida, against Miami-Dade police, against everybody involved. Seeing how they don't want to take their oath seriously, they have to pay. So that way all this nonsense stops. This video is intended for the jury. Yes, it is. Thank you very much for your time.